This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by using the right hardware, original or certified charger, and cable to prevent voltage spikes. Once done, plug in when battery reads roughly 20% and stop near 80% to reduce stress on cells. Make sure to enable airplane mode or low power settings during fast charging so background tasks don't heat the phone. You'll see slower heat buildup and longer cycle life when you avoid full 0-100 charging. This simple habit affects longevity more than weekly optimization tricks. You now reduce strain through software, lower refresh rate and brightness to cut constant power draw, and disable always-on display to prevent idle drain. Once done, go into app settings and restrict background refresh for social and streaming apps so they don't wake the radio constantly. Make sure to enable battery saver around 20% to throttle CPU and network use during critical hours. These steps reduce deep discharge cycles and excessive heat, both primary causes of faster battery. You finish with maintenance. Update system software and firmware regularly because manufacturers push battery management improvements. Once a month, calibrate battery by charging to full then discharging to about 5% to keep percentage reporting accurate. Make sure to clean the charging port and use gentle compressed air to avoid poor contact and heating. If you still see rapid drain, boot into safe mode to rule out apps. And if the battery is swollen or failing tests, replace it promptly to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.